What's going guys, me Gyverr, and welcome back to another Tech Cool video. I guess this is the 4th week that I've been doing Tech Cool, but yeah. In my last video, I did promise that I'll be introducing a new kind of tech, and without further ado, that is the Andoer MX5, a wireless microphone. Now, if you've been to YouTube for quite a while, you have seen a lot of YouTubers or content creators, especially the ones that into fitness and vlogging, that have been using the Rode Wireless Go. But Rode Wireless Go is kinda a little bit of expensive for right around $200 to $250. But Gyverr, there has been a lot of budget wireless microphone out there that offers half of the price of the Wireless Go. Well, what if I tell you that we can lower that price even more? Andoer MX5 is currently being sold for right around 2,300 pesos to 2,400 pesos. And for my Western brothers and sisters who are watching right now, the conversion is down on your screen. Now let's proceed with the unboxing. Out of the box, you will be greeted by a single transmitter and a single receiver, accompanied by a micro USB connector for charging, which is I'm quite disappointed because it's 2021 and we're using a micro USB. Also a free lavalier microphone, but I would say this is just a generic one, but it's nice to have at least. And last but not the least are your two connectors for your cameras and for your mobile phones. Now for some quick little bit of specification of the product. The Andoer MX5 is being rated by 2.4 GHz of connectivity band. Also, the battery runtime for the transmitter and the receiver is right around 5 hours. And the charging time would be right around 2 hours. It's quite long, but considering that we're using a micro USB, yeah, that's the scenario that we are in. Now let's proceed on how you will set up your Andoer MX5. Whichever you start turning on first, it doesn't matter, but per their guide, let's start with the transmitter. Okay, push the power button for about 2 seconds until you see a blue light and it will start blinking. Don't worry, as it is fine. Flip it and find the infinity symbol and press it for 3 seconds as it will establish its own frequency. Now with the receiver, power it up for 2 seconds again. It will start blinking. Now flip it to the side and look for the infinity symbol button and hold it for 3 seconds also. After that, you will notice that the blinking will stop and it means that it is connected. Now this is a one-time setup, meaning that every time that you're going to turn both the receiver or the transmitter, it will automatically connect to each other. Now with those specifications out of my system, we can now proceed to the actual, audio test. Hello, mic test. So currently I'm using the Andoer MX5 transmitter or its microphone. I'm not clipping it to my shirt yet, but I'm just holding it right around 1 to 2 inches away from my mouth. I'm currently set up at the lowest possible level gain, so this is the sound quality that you will be hearing. Okay, now we're currently at the level 2 of audio gain. So mic test 1, 2, 3. Same distance, right around 1 to 2 inches. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Now we are at the level 3, and as you can see, the pickup is way better. But you will start to be hearing some noise at the background. We are now at the maximum audio level gain, and you can see that I'm already clipping. And there might be a lot of white noise already in the sound. So mic test 1, 2, 3. For this, enhanced version, or the version that I already, put some enhancement, I set my audio levels to level 3. So this is the sound quality that you will be getting. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Right now I'm using the MX5 using a lavalier microphone, so the audio that you will be hearing is coming from this little lavalier. This is the one that is included in the packaging. So mic test 1, 2, 3. Currently on level 1 of the audio gain. Now we are at the level 2 of the audio gain. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Now on level 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Maximum level, so audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Now this is the enhanced version. As my previous audio test, this is set to level 3. So audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so currently I'm outside. My audio gain is set to level 1, the lowest. I'm right around, I would say, 3 feet from the camera. So this is the sound quality you'll be getting. I'm using the lavalier microphone. So mic test 1, 2, 3. Now we're at the level 2 audio gain. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Still 3 feet away from the camera. Level 3, mic test 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Last but not the least, this is the maximum gain level for the Andoer MX5. I'm sorry. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I set the microphone level to level 3. I'm not sure, but this is the most comfortable audio gain level that I want. I'm currently trying to use it as a vlogging microphone right now, and I'm carrying my camera with my tripod as we speak. Okay, so now I've removed the lavalier microphone to the transmitter. As you can see, I'm not wearing any. So currently we're at the level 1 of audio gain. So mic test 1, 2, 3. Level 2, audio test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Level 3, my favorite, audio test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Last but not the least would be the maximum gain level for this microphone, audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I decided while filming to use the clip-on capability of the microphone. Currently, the audio gain level is set to level 3, which is my favorite. So this is the sound quality you'll be getting on a clip-on transmitter like this. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that this transmitter is rated up to 50 meters, as you can see, I'm on the road and there's supposed to be no distraction or interference at all. So I'm going to run through there and back, and let's see how far the transmission can actually go. Are you guys ready? Okay, so basically I don't know how far this is, but like this. So I'm going back now, still running. When I reach a little bit closer, I'll try to walk. So what do you guys think about the 50 meters rated connectivity of this microphone? Okay, now we're back here in the studio after testing. Whew, that's quite tiring, you know, all those tests. And guys, what do you guys think? Oops, there's a plastic. What do you guys think about the sound quality of the Andoer MX5? I would say it is quite good for its price point. It is quite a catch. And I would even be recommending that you should get one because, you know, having a wireless microphone opens a lot of possibilities of how you will do your vlogging, content creation, etc. And while having a wireless microphone and even a standalone microphone, you can pretty much do those, you know, typical interviews kind of stuff, especially if you're just a one-man army like me. While I film, I create my script, etc. So yeah, it is a good grab for its price. I'm sorry, I'm still trying to catch my breath. But yeah, I would say for the price point, for the audio quality, it's a must-have, or it's good. And I will be even using this as one of my vlogging microphone to my new vlogging setup coming soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell icon. Okay, I have no words to say, but wow for the price. And now, Rode, if you're watching, better, you know, sponsor me with the wireless to go, and let's do a side-by-side comparison of this Andoer MX5 and your product, because I would say this is a Rode wireless go killer. Bye.